Okay, so on number 5, I think most of you got the LCD was just X or 1X, whichever one you prefer. So you're multiplying everything by the X. So what do you get here? Nothing cancels. What's X times X?
X squared.
Right, X squared. In the middle, the X's cancel. So this one and this one cancel. So you just get plus 8 equals 6X. So again, when you have an X squared, you want to move everything to the same side. So I'm going to subtract 6X. X squared minus 6X plus 8 equals 0. And then you factor. So you should have gotten X minus 2, X minus 4. Oh, I didn't find the undefined. X cannot equal 0. Sorry. Split these up. X minus 2 equals 0. And X minus 4 equals 0. So X equals 2. And X equals 4. Any questions on 5? I think a lot of you are getting the hang of the quadratic one where you move everything to one side and then factor it.
I have a question.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Let's see the number.
Okay, on number 6. So number 6, because you can factor the top, you may want to go ahead and factor it instead of doing the LCD first. This is like number 4. If you factor the top, bless you. So when you factor, you see that these cancel. And now we just have X minus 3 equals 7. And when you solve for X, what do you get? Should have gotten 10. And what can X not equal? Negative 3. Good. Okay, we're going to do number 7. And then I'm going to let you guys work on your homework. Or not homework, classwork. Okay. Yes, 7.
I have the answers all. Okay. Let's see if they're all wrong.
Okay, so on number 7, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you factor the quadratic. Okay, so I factored this X minus 3 and X minus 4. This one is already factored, the X minus 3, and so is this one. So what is the LCD on number 7? Right, it's both of the binomials. The LCD is, oh my goodness, X minus 3 and X minus 4. Okay, do you see how the two binomials are the LCD? Okay. What can X not equal here? 4 and 3. Okay, that way we're done with that part. So we multiply every single piece by the LCD. So this one gets the X minus 3 and the X minus 4. This one gets the X minus 3 and the X minus 4. And so does the far right side. X minus 3, X minus 4. Okay, don't skimp and not write it. Make sure you write it so you can cross out whatever crosses out. So on the first one, what crosses out? Yeah, it all crosses out. And we're just left with 5. What crosses out in the middle one? The X minus 3. So we're left with the minus 2. Be careful with that. Make sure you see that. The minus 2 times X minus 4. And on the far right, what crosses out? X minus 4. So we're left with 5 times X minus 3. So we're going to solve for X. Be extra careful here that you distribute the negative 2, not a positive 2. So 5 minus 2X plus 8 equals 5X minus 15. Combine like terms. So 13 minus 2X. So you're going to get the X's on the same side and the numbers on the other. It's completely up to you which method you like. I'm going to add the 2X over here. And then I'll add the 15 to the left. So 28 equals 7x. Divide by 7. So what does x equal? 4. But what do you notice? What do we say in the restrictions? Yeah, in the restrictions we said x cannot equal 4. So if you get a contradiction, no solution. Well, you're still solving the equation, so you're trying to say, is there a solution or what is a solution? And in this case, there is not one.